Um, Tulani, who are your current customers?
Actually, the market that I have is the community.
Okay.
Yeah, the current market is the community, whereby if I have a pig or pigs that are on sale,
Yeah.
I actually publish them on Facebook, YouTube, and obviously on Google.
So,
Yabona.
so how do you sell them to the community? Do you kalisa or like? And by the way, how does an actual animal become on sale? Because it's a pila lento le. How is it? Anyway, yeah,
No, maybe it's the way we say it, yabona.
yeah,
It's on sale. It's
yeah,
not actually on sale, yabo.
yeah,
But ngendlela sijwayele ngayo sikhuluma ngakhona thina yabo.
yeah.
Shuthi ngiyathengisa, yabo, it's on sale. On ngendlela bani ama customer ma understand nangabe ngithi ingulube on sale.